Guild Mortgage, U.S. Bank. Two very different ways to buy a home. But which one actually has your back at closing? We read the fine print so you don't have to. 7 rounds, scored head to head, one comes out ahead. The specialist you've barely heard of might beat the big bank. We're comparing Guild Mortgage and U.S. Bank across 7 things that actually matter. First, rates and fees. What does the loan really cost? Then the product range, can they even do your kind of loan? Digital experience and speed to close, because a slow lender loses you the house. Customer satisfaction, do people who use them come back happy? Channel and availability, can you reach them where you live? Complaints and trust, who has the cleaner record? And special programs, first-time help, VA, FHA, and refinancing. 7 rounds. First up, rates and fees. On rate, Guild has the edge. Its note rates sit roughly at the market average, so you're not paying a premium just for the name. The catch is transparency. Guild doesn't publish live rates anywhere, so you have to talk to a local loan officer before you can compare. And because it's a branch-by-branch model, pricing and fees can shift depending on which office you walk into. U.S. Bank plays it differently. It's a genuinely low-fee lender, and if you already bank there, you get closing cost discounts non-banks simply can't offer. But the rate is the problem. Its 2024 average 30-year fixed was about 7.68%, more than a full percentage point above the roughly 6.55% national average. Over a 30-year loan, that gap is real money, and its origination fees aren't clearly posted either. So on rates and fees, the winner is Guild Mortgage, 7 to 5. I'll take a market average rate over a rate that's a full point high. A good rate means nothing if they can't do your kind of loan. On to loan product range. Guild's menu is unusually deep for a retail shop. Conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, Jumbo, plus renovation loans through FHA 203K and Fannie Mae Homestyle. It even added reverse mortgages through its Cherry Creek acquisition, and it does home equity and HELOCs. Where it really stands out is flexible credit, FHA and USDA, down to around a 540 score, opening doors a lot of lenders keep shut. U.S. Bank matches most of that and adds big bank muscle. Conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, and Jumbo, up to about $3 million. Then it stacks on construction and lot loans, portfolio loans, physician mortgages that can waive the down payment, and its smart refinance. If your situation is unusual, a doctor, a big jumbo, a new build, U.S. Bank has a lane for it. Both shelves are broad, they just specialize differently. So, on loan product range, it's a dead heat, 8 to 8, 2 of the deepest product shelves in lending, genuinely awash. But a big menu doesn't help if they can't close on time. Say your credit is thin and your score sits in the low 500s. Most lenders stop the conversation right there. Guild doesn't. It writes FHA and USDA loans down to about a 540 score, and its 1% down payment advantage means you barely need savings. A local loan officer walks you through it. You go from probably not to pre-approved. U.S. Bank's American Dream program is generous, up to $10,000 in help and no PMI. But it wants a 640 score to start, and it only runs in 31 states. If your credit is still climbing, you may not clear the bar yet. The money is bigger, but the door opens later. But what if the clock is the real enemy? Now, digital experience and speed to close. Guild's superpower here is certainty. Homebuyer Express promises closing in 17 days, or it reimburses you $500 in closing costs. A real commitment when you're in a bidding war. Lock and Shop lets you lock a rate before you're even under contract. The weak spot is digital, no online rates, and you're working through a loan officer rather than a slick self-serve app. U.S. Bank is the stronger tech story. Its application runs on Blend, rates update daily online, and the loan portal tracks your documents and status in one place. But the process behind the polish stumbled. It scored roughly 20 points below the industry average in J.D. Power's 2024 mortgage origination study. Great tools, mixed follow-through. Guild's guarantee versus U.S. Bank's tooling nets out even. So on digital experience and speed to close, it's a dead heat. 7 to 7. One guarantees the close, one has the better app. Pick your poison. So after the dust settles, who are borrowers actually happy with? Then there's customer satisfaction. This is Guild's home turf. It's Zillow's most 5-star rated lender 3 years in a row, about 4.96 out of 5 across roughly 7,300 reviews. It ranked second nationally among all mortgage servicers in J.D. Power's 2025 study, and Stratmore named it best in class among large independent lenders with around 96% satisfaction. The recurring theme in reviews, loan officers who actually stay in contact. U.S. Bank is a split screen. Its Zillow lender score is a stellar 4.99 across a huge review base, and it scored more than 40 points above average in J.D. Power's 2025 servicer study. Servicing is a strength, but its origination satisfaction landed 20 points below average, and its broader Trustpilot rating is flatly bad across 1,300 plus reviews. The buying experience is where it slips. So on customer satisfaction, the winner is Guild Mortgage, 9 to 6. Guild wins the buying experience, and that's the part that stresses you out. Guild Mortgage is Zillow's most 5-star rated lender 3 years running, sitting at about 4.96 out of 5 across roughly 7,300 reviews. For a company most people have never heard of, that's a quiet flex. Round 5, Channel and Availability. Guild is a true national retail lender, licensed in all 50 states plus DC, with more than 350 physical branches and a loan officer force that's nearly doubled since 2020. It's a community-based, purchase-first model, historically strongest across the West and Southwest. If you want a local person in a local office, Guild's whole design is built around that. U.S. Bank also originates in all 50 states and DC, but its branches physically cover only about 40 states, leaned heavily toward the West Coast after buying Mufj Union Bank. It backs that with a fully digital application channel, so you can apply anywhere. One caveat, it exited the wholesale broker channel and cut mortgage staff, signaling a narrower footprint. Both reach the whole country, just by different roads. So on channel and availability, it's a dead heat, 8 to 7. Both cover all 50 states. Guild just has more doors to walk into. Reach is one thing, but whose record would you actually trust? The seller wants a fast close and you're up against cash offers. Guild put a number on it. Homebuyer Express closes in 17 days or it reimburses you $500 in closing costs. Lock and Shop already froze your rate while you were shopping. You hand the seller a timeline they can trust, and your offer suddenly looks a lot stronger. U.S. Bank has a slick blend-powered app that makes uploading documents easy, but the process behind it scored well below the industry average for origination satisfaction, and big bank steps can add days you don't have. When the calendar is the enemy, a polished portal doesn't replace a guarantee. Now flip it. What about lowering a payment you already have? Next up, complaints and trust or regulatory record. Guild runs cleaner on complaints. The CFPB records fewer complaints than average for a lender its size, roughly 142 over 2019 to 2022, and it carries an A+ on its national BBB profile. The wrinkles? Some local BBB pages show payment processing gripes, and there's fresh uncertainty since Bayview took Guild private in late 2025, ending 65 years of public market accountability. U.S. Bank's trust case is really about size. It's the mortgage arm of the fifth largest U.S. bank, with over $668 billion in assets, and it holds an A rating with BBB accreditation. That balance sheet stability is genuine, but its complaint volume is higher, about 378 mortgage-related CFPB complaints in 2024, mostly around the payment process, and that bad Trustpilot rating hangs over it. So on complaints and trust/regulatory record, the winner is Guild Mortgage, 7 to 6. Fewer complaints and an A+ edge it, even against a $668 billion balance sheet. Now for the part first-time and veteran buyers care about most. You just want a cleaner payment without draining savings on fees. Guild does rate and term and cash-out refinances, and it'll likely keep servicing the loan so you stay with the same company. But it won't show you a rate online. You have to reach a loan officer first, which slows the quick math you're trying to do. U.S. Bank built a product for exactly this. Smart Refinance carries no closing costs and a term up to 20 years, and rates update daily on the site so you can eyeball it fast. Yes, the rate itself may run higher to offset those waived costs, but for a low-effort, low out-of-pocket refi, that trade-off is the whole point. So which name deserves your loan? And finally, refinance and special programs, VA or FHA or first time. Guild leans on breadth and low barriers. Its 3-2-1 home program offers 3% down with roughly $1,000 to $2,500 in assistance, plus a $2,000 Home Depot gift card, and 1% down payment advantage drops the entry even lower. Add government loans down to a 540 score and lock and shop, and it's a strong first-time buyer toolkit. The assistance dollars, though, are modest. U.S. Bank counters with one heavyweight, the American Dream Loan, as little as 3% down, up to $10,000 in assistance for down payment, closing costs, or repairs. And, crucially, it covers your PMI, so you pay none. Add smart refinance with no closing costs and a 20-year term, and for the borrower who qualifies, the raw dollars and the no PMI structure edge out Guild's lighter assistance. So on refinance and special programs, VA-FHA/first time, the winner is U.S. Bank, 8 to 7, 10 grand and no PMI beats a gift card. U.S. Bank takes this one. Guild takes 3 rounds. U.S. Bank takes 1. 3 were dead even. What that tells you, Guild is the sharper pick for buying a home, but U.S. Bank's scale and its American Dream program keep it in the fight for the right borrower. Who's each one really for? Thin credit file? Guild takes government loans down to a 540 score. Already bank with U.S. Bank? You get closing cost discounts nobody else offers. Need a guaranteed fast close? Guild reimburses you if they miss 17 days. Low to moderate income and want the most help? U.S. Bank's American Dream loan hands you up to 10 grand and covers your PMI. Here's how to sort yourself. Pick Guild if you're a first-time or thin credit buyer, if you need a fast guaranteed close, or if you want a lender that keeps servicing your loan and treats you well after closing. Go with U.S. Bank if you already bank there and want relationship discounts, if you want big bank stability, or if you qualify for the American Dream program's assistance and no PMI structure. If neither fits, keep shopping. Rate is worth chasing. If a lender ever made or broke your home purchase, tell me the story in the comments. Like and subscribe for a new comparison every week. Thanks for watching.